Hello once again, guys. It's me, Mr. Frederick. I'm here to present you on a very exciting topic about thermal energy. Now, thermal energy, some of you may be asking, what is that, Mr. Frederick? And thermal energy is also known as heat energy, which is when temperature rises, it causes atoms, keyword there, it causes atoms and molecules to move faster and collide with each other. Okay, very important. So basically, it's just the energy that is being used to move atoms and molecules faster and collide with each other by raising the temperature. Okay, which is very, very important to understand. All right, and here are several examples we could use to identify that. Okay, so here's an example of a stove that is turned on by both gas with electricity. Okay, and when you turn it on, like you see in this one, it produces a blue flame. Now, most flames, when you look at it, like when you do camping or stuff like that, the flames are usually orange, and you do see a little orange here when you're looking at it. But when you have the stove here, it's produce a blue flame, which is hotter. Okay, and that is energy, heat energy, thermal energy at work. You feel the heat when you turn on your stove. Okay, another example that we see here is when water boils. So when I turn on this water and you look at the water, at first it looked like nothing's happening, but as time passes by, you see that the atoms, you see that the water that's being here, little by little you see bubbles being rising to the top, causing it to boil. And over time, you're going to see that it's going to boil even more and more, because now the atoms and molecules here get to this point and boil abundantly. Atoms, molecules, the molecule water, H2O, is moving so rapidly, it's colliding with each other, it's boiling up, producing heat, and it's really hot. So you see that water boiling. When you want to make tea, or you want to boil water to boil eggs, you see all those examples of that heat moving there. So here's some examples. Those are two examples of everyday life where you see thermal energy, aka heat energy, at work. When you turn on the stove and when water is being boiled. Okay? So just keep that in mind when you think about heat and thermal energy. Alright? That means atoms or molecules, when the temperature rises, it causes those atoms and molecules to move faster and to collide with each other. Okay? Well, that's it for today, guys. This is Mr. Frederick out.